For advanced lifters, chest training is about precision and intelligent effort. A powerful chest isn't just for looks, it's proof of your dedication and mastery of biomechanics. At this stage, progress is slow and hard-won, demanding a smarter approach than just adding weight. We need to focus on muscle fiber recruitment, tension curves, and targeting all areas of the pecs for complete development. Neglecting to evolve your strategy leads to plateaus, both in size and strength. It's not just about mass. Advanced lifters sculpt the upper and lower chest for balanced three-dimensional results. This requires a multi-angled attack, using exercises that challenge the muscle in new ways. As your body adapts, your training must too. What got you here won't take you further. Mind-muscle connection and strategic intensity techniques become essential. In this video, we'll lay out the most effective exercises, programming, and mindset for continued progress. Refine your chest training, push your limits, and turn your chest into a true work of art. Let's get started. The first pillar is the barbell bench press. Focus on controlled power, not ego lifting. Set your base, feet planted, slight arch, shoulder blades tight. Lower the bar to mid-chest, elbows tucked, and press up without locking out. Next, the incline dumbbell press targets the upper chest. Use a 30-45 degree angle, lower slowly, and squeeze at the top. Dumbbells help correct imbalances and allow a deeper stretch. For isolation, cable flies provide constant tension. Set pulleys at shoulder height, arc your arms as if hugging a tree, and squeeze at the peak. Use moderate weight, focus on pure chest contraction, not pressing. Finally, weighted dips hammer the lower chest. Lean forward, lower until you feel a stretch, and press up through your palms. Add weight with a dip belt for mass building. Each exercise hits a different angle, ensuring full chest development. Mastering these 4 movements is key to advanced hypertrophy. Quality of movement always beats quantity. Train with intent, and your chest will grow. Let's break down the programming. Advanced growth comes from maximal mechanical tension and smart programming. Barbell bench press, 4 sets of 4, 6 heavy reps. This is your strength builder. Incline dumbbell press and weighted dips, 4 sets of 6, 10 reps for upper and lower chest hypertrophy. Cable flies, 3 sets of 12, 15 reps to maximize the pump and metabolic stress. Rest 3 minutes for heavy lifts, 60, 90 seconds for isolation work. Progressive overload is your foundation. Add weight, reps, sets, or improve form each week. For advanced lifters, small improvements matter most. Track your workouts and aim to beat your previous performance even by a single rep. Unilateral work like dumbbell presses helps fix imbalances and prevent injury. A balanced, strong chest is both aesthetic and functional. Consistency and progression separates those who plateau from those who keep growing. Stay disciplined and results will follow. Now let's talk about the mindset that makes it all possible. Building an elite chest is a marathon. Consistency is everything. Show up even when motivation is low and execute every rep with focus. Discipline means prioritizing nutrition, sleep, and recovery, not just training. Advanced progress requires learning, adapting, and refining your approach. Push your limits, but never sacrifice form for weight. Injury sets you back. Film your sets, critique your technique, and adjust as needed. Celebrate small victories: an extra rep, a better contraction, a stronger set. The journey is as important as the results. Patience and intelligence will take you further than brute force. Stay consistent, train smart, and your chest and character will grow. The iron is waiting. Let's get to work.